Hi there, it's Donna from Psychic Medium Channel, and we're going around the tarot in 80 days, and we're using the Morgan Greer deck, and that's this card. And then we're also showing you the card from the Rider-Waite deck. And so today's card is the Star, and that's number 17 in the Major Arcana. And 17 reduces to an 8, so 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 is the power and authority number signifying success and material fortune. The individual in this card is naked and is pouring water into the pool and onto the land with stars above her head. She has 1 foot in the pool and 1 foot on the land, and her nakedness represents an acceptance of the self. Dipping into the pool represents meditation and inner attunement, and the potential for growth is symbolized by pouring the water out onto the land. The stars in the sky portend opportunity. So the key word for this card is illumination. The star represents the idea of being the star of your own show. That's showing up in your own life and creating the life that you want. So if that's an overview of the star, and if you want to go more in depth with it, or you want to learn to read tarot with me, or you just want to know more about me and my services, look me up at psychicmediumchannel.com. Thank you.